Hey guys, it's Dr. Emer. It's Sunday night. I'm going to wait for you guys to get on and we can talk about Aerify, our favorite at-home medical grade peeling kit, which I am on about 1 week into treatment and my skin looks flawless right now. Maybe one little pimple, I need to get a haircut, but hey everybody. So we are going to have a guest today. Hold on 1 second. And his name is James Roland Miller. He's a good friend of mine, and he did a photo shoot for EMERAGE Skin because he was trying a lot of the new products, including the Aerify kit, our complexion peeling kit, which I'm going to talk about tonight. And he really loved the product, so I said, let's get this kit going on you, and we're going to show everybody the results, and then we'll see what you say about EMERAGE Skin. So let's go live with him so we can get on it. I'm super excited. Hey guys, shout out to Miller. Yes, best kit I know. Take it all. Take a look, you guys. I'm still lightly peeling. There he is. Oh my God. So we're super excited to have you. There's already shout outs going on right now to you because we posted some pictures of you in the photo shoot.
Right.
Tell everybody who you are really quickly and what you do.
Well, hey guys, my name is James Miller. I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana. I just moved to LA a year ago. Just doing the same thing everyone else is doing. Acting and modeling is why I was brought to LA. So yeah, over the last year, I've just been working. I bartend, so my skin gets a lot of alcohol and
So lots of trauma to your skin. That's what I tell people. Environmental damage, dehydration, sun. You take it, especially models are always kind of, going through these fad diets and they're doing these things like supplements and things. It takes a huge toll on your skin, you guys. And
right.
so everybody I know nowadays, especially after COVID, seeing themselves in cameras and on TV and things like that. And again, in your photo shoots, they want to have the best skin.
Right.
How did you feel about when you did our photo shoot about the products?
I loved it. Because it's something you don't really do like a shoot where you're using the products if you don't actually like them and if they don't,
Exactly.
mean something to you. And you can always tell when there's a lot of love that's put into certain products. And I do think that this line is one of those. And I'm very excited to try the peel because I do get breakouts, especially like in my forehead. I don't even know if they're like heat bumps,
Yeah,
but I
show
break
them
out a
up close
lot.
because guys tend to get these little breakouts that enlarged sweat glands. They're called sebaceous hyperplasia. You could see a little bit of redness and brown there from sun exposure. You have blue eyes, which everyone on here is saying they love your baby blue eyes, of course. They're saying, who dat, you're stunning, all of this,
Who
and they
dat?
love you. But we have to keep you from getting that sun exposure causing major problems as you get older.
Right.
It dilates pores, it causes redness, it causes brown. I posted on my Instagram today and yesterday some results of just the Aerify itself, which was designed, I'm going to show you guys here, the Complexion Revival Kit here. Do you have it? Show everybody the kit. Yes, exactly. It's great. We wanted it very simple, very clean. Inside, there's instructions on how to use the kit. I have my halo light, so it always blocks it out. And it tells you what it's for brightening, for clarifying, and for firming. And then inside, it tells you about the products, which are our illuminating mask, our cleanser, our foaming polish, our vitamin A, which is we'll talk about in a second, a moisturizing and hydrating and brightening vitamin A lightening cream called High Spot, a moisturizer called Soothe, and then a sunscreen called Fusion Shield, which is my favorite. Even one of my clients today in her 70s sent me this text message saying how this was the best sunscreen she's ever used, and she's been through all of this in the industry. Nurse Lena is on. She's saying she loves the kit. So they want to know because they know that you cleansed beforehand. Everybody's been following me. I do these like 2-3 times a week, and they're going crazy. These get hundreds of thousands of views. So tell me, what did you think of the cleanser? I'm going to show the cleanser. I'm going to show the kit first with all the products so that anyone who wants this at emeragecosmetics.com that wants to get this, there's the foaming, the vitamin A, the brightening, sunscreen, the mask and the moisturizer. Tell me what you felt about the foaming polish because I was very particular on making this product. A lot of companies have cleansers out there that just degrease the skin. They cause a lot of, they're made with alcohol, they're irritating, but they're good for makeup. So that's why a lot of people will use them. Or if they have really oily skin, they'll kind of say, it's okay, it doesn't matter if it has oil, but it's not good, or alcohol, it's not good for your skin. What did you feel with this?
Well, honestly, I felt amazing. My skin really did feel firm after I used it. I could see the glow. I mean, I can tell why it's called foaming polish.
Well, that's why we called it a polish.
Right,
that's why we called it a polish. But that's good that you said that, because most foaming cleansers are very drying. This actually has in it hydrolyzed jojoba beads, which are very moisturizing. It has brightening botanicals in it. It has an extract from algae that also helps to firm and brighten the skin. And then it also has in it licorice root, which brightens the skin. So you have the marine extracts, you have the licorice root, you have the hydrolyzed jojoba, and then there's another extract in it called Pseudoaltermonas extract, which basically also is from the sea that helps to firm. So you're getting brightening and firming. And that's why I said cleanse and purify when we made up the name, but I wanted people to feel like bright. I wanted people to feel tighter and really clean with the cleanser. Hi, Julian. And it really makes a difference having a good cleanser. Now, this was designed for the kit so that you would get experience of all the kind of basic EMERAGE skin products. But there's an enzyme cleanser that we made that's even stronger, that has alpha hydroxy acids and papaya. You don't have it in the kit, but if you had the ability to purchase other products, you could use that in the morning and you could use this one at night. But if you were just going to get the kit, you could do this twice a day. So this is something you feel you would use twice a day, right?
Right, and it's actually really light. I was kind of hesitant when I was using it because it's like, I don't really feel anything until you pat it dry, and then your skin.
Yeah, and then all of a sudden you feel super clean. Yeah, I love that. So
super
that's the
light,
positive
super refreshing.
Yeah, so the girls will get their makeup removed. The guys will have much more of a glow to the skin. And then in the kit, I want to talk to you about the two major ingredients that are here. The two major products are the High Spot Cream. You could show that. That's called the Bright and Glow. This is our Lightening Cream that has it in vitamin C and other botanicals. The cool thing about this is mulberry. Yeah, show them that. The mulberry extract, green tea, vitamin C, licorice root, and it has in it peptides. And peptides are sort of the trending ingredient in skincare products because even younger people want anti-aging. So in my product line, we have two products, the Refit Face and Eye, that are not in here because they're super expensive. They're the potent anti-aging peptides for around the eye and face. You can use it with the kit if you wanted it separately. You can get it at emeragecosmetics.com. But some of those peptides are in here because I wanted some brightening and anti-aging, which of course I'm sure you want.
Right, everyone wants.
Exactly, everybody wants. So you're going to get the vitamin C in here, which also is our EMERAGE skin line, the AOC. Exactly, but you're also going to get all the other ingredients, the green tea, the mulberry, the blueberry extracts, the licorice root for brightening. Now here's the thing, use this twice a day. This is what I tell people. At least a pea-sized amount to your full face twice a day. If you have the if you have the AOC vitamin C, you could add it as well. And if you have the peptides additionally, the Refit Face and Eye, you can also add it. Now the Hyla A, which is our vitamin A, this is your nighttime powerhouse. You have to use retinol. Do you use retinol regularly or no?
No.
Oh my God, we are on a mission here to transform your skin. We are going to change your skin.
I need it. I need it. I'm so
happy.
To do
I'm
this.
excited about it because here's the thing, and Nurse Lena will tell you, she's on right now, and Raul will too. You have a part of my protocol is every day you have to have a vitamin A at night. It is the core anti-aging. Hey, Carlo, it is the core anti-aging ingredient. The problem is most dermatologists prescribe tretinoin, which is for acne, and it's very drying. Look at my skin. Even on the peel, it's radiant, okay?
Yeah.
Even at close to 40, it's still radiant. So that's because the vitamin A's we're using are retinol based. This is a retinol, not a tretinoin. And it has in it the licorice root for brightening, as well as hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is like filler in a bottle. It's your powerhouse hydrator. So Hyla B, which is the other sort of hydrating ingredient product I made from EMERAGE Skin. What are they saying? How do you remember everything you learned in school? Let me tell you, when you love what you do, you remember it. That's how it is. Plus, I went to school for 16 years. I'm really old. You guys can see look in my beard. Okay, it's coming in.
Right.
I have to keep my skincare going, otherwise I'm gonna look too old. So the licorice root is in here. The hyaluronic acid and the retinol, so that you don't get dry when you're doing your nighttime powerhouse anti-aging. So you can use this also twice a day if you want, but you're gonna peel more. If you do, I know, look at that young skin though. Look at that. I know, old man, young skin. Exactly. So we're gonna give you this skin. This is the goal. So you can use this twice a day. You'll get more of a peel. It won't last as long. It'll probably last about 10 days, but you'll get more out of it. Or you could email us and do a free virtual skincare consult. We can add a couple other products or even more retinol if you want to prolong the kit. But again, in the kit, you're still going to get a great result at 2 weeks of using the kit. I see this kit as a booster because the mask, this illuminating mask, which you're going to apply in a minute, you can put this on you could do this every week overnight if you wanted and not follow the full kit. Exactly. This is a combination of acids, which we're going to talk about in a second. TCA, strongest over-the-counter strength you can get with minimal risk. All skin types can be treated. Michelle has joined. She's doing the peel right now. She's about a week in. We're going to ask her some questions, how she likes it. She's Asian skin type, so we want to make sure that she's not too sensitive. You having sort of blonde and blue with a little bit thicker skin, this is going to be good for you because you won't get a lot of sensitivity and you're going to see a result quick. This peel is over-the-counter strength, you guys. This is not going to the office and getting the deep peels that I always show you on Instagram, because this is made for minimal downtime. So this is something you could put on every 2 weeks overnight and keep doing this over and over and keep your skin boosted. I designed this on purpose for it to be little downtime, for the professionals on the go. You know you're doing a photo shoot in a week. You need to look good. You're getting married. You have headshots you want to take. All these scenarios that people just want to look better but can't spend a lot of money and don't want to go to the dermatologist. Right. So show them the mask, because we're gonna put this on in a minute. This is an exfoliating and brightening mask or peel. Other peels in the office, there's solutions that you put on and you literally peel off like a snake. This is not made to do this. This is made to lightly peel every day. So I actually rubbed off all my flakes, but each day you're gonna get little flakes, and those flakes are gonna be minimal. People won't see them, but you're turning over the skin cells. So the exfoliating part of this is salicylic acid, lactic acid, and trichloroacetic acid, or TCA. The brightening part of this is that 20% vitamin C that's also in the Fusion Shield. It's also in the High Spot Cream. And then also arbutin, which is a brightening agent or a botanical, and also kojic acid and niacinamide. So it's got everything you need. And listen, if you're a poppy and you're brown, this works for you, because they're asking if I'm a poppy, what do I do? And this is for everybody. This is for poppies or not poppies. It doesn't matter. So this has in it the brightening portion, the niacinamide part, which is like a very big key word in the community right now. That's anti-redness. So if you have redness on the skin, rosacea or acne, you could still use this and you'll improve. And if you guys go look at it in my Instagram posts of people side by side, a big component of what you could see improved is redness. So why did you want to do this?
Well, my skin, first, hi Jenny, hey Josh. My skin, personally, my biggest insecurity is my pores. Like, I get my pores on my nose, of course, I'm like super insecure about. So I was really trying to find something to help relax my skin, because it stresses out so much, and it shows, like you just said about the redness. Like, my nose would get really red. Up above my forehead, I get, the little bumps. Really insecure, especially like when you mentioned about getting headshots done or having a photo shoot. Even when I was modeling the products, I was a little nervous doing it because, my skin, it's being zoomed in on, and that's can be really insecure. And I'm just trying to find something and take care of my skin and be more confident. I'm doing this so I can get some confidence and be able to not care so much about how my skin looks because it'll already look good.
Great. And listen, I always tell people your skin is a mixture of everything. It's what you put internally, it's exposure and trauma that you experience every day outside in the real world. Someone saying here, well, why not limit sun exposure, change your diet, sleep? It's all of that. And look up, I love
Right.
using products because I see great results from them. Just because you use one product versus 10 doesn't make a difference. If you love the products, I make it a ritual. I love it. And so Josh is saying he thinks you're hot. You don't need you don't need the peel. That's what he's saying.
Well,
Which is sweet, which is very
that
sweet.
is very sweet.
But I
do
tell
need
people,
it.
you got to maintain it. You know, they're saying, have you seen your face? Look, just because you have good skin or look good doesn't mean that there's certain issues, like his pore size, for example. We need to get you in the office to do medical grade facials. We need to get you to do laser every 3-4 months or so. But in between, let's give it a boost. Girl Treaker here says, you just need a skin boost. That's what she's saying. That's what this is, you guys. This peel is a skin boost. And the other thing about it, I just want you guys to know, I made this Fusion Shield, which you can also get emeragecosmetics.com as an independent product. I actually took it all over Napa this weekend. It has a little bit of a tint, so it covers up some of the pores and the dark circles. But it also has in it the vitamin C for brightening, the marine extract for tightening, and it also has in it physical blocking, so SPF. So you're going to get not only anti-aging and brightening, but protection. Most sunscreens, like Neutrogena, for example, just protection. You're ghosted out. You get sun protection, but it's not doing anything anti-aging wise. This, even if you do up in the eye for the dark circles, you're still getting improvement there because the vitamin C's in there, and the other ingredients, the marine extracts, for example, are in there. So you're getting everything. So why don't you apply it? Take off your hat. Show everybody.
Okay.
Show everybody your head. Yeah, we don't care if you have a hat head. No one cares. They think you're cute, and they're not going to think you're any less cute with the hair.
Okay.
So now, do me a favor. You're already cleansed. And remember, you guys, he used the foaming polish that has the jojoba beads, the licorice root, and the marine extracts, as well as the Pseudo ultramonas extract in there. But now show them the mask. Show them what it looks like when you open it, and let's apply. Don't be shy. Put a firm amount. Don't go crazy about rubbing it, though.
Okay.
Josh, we all know he looks good. We know. He's going to look even better now because, look, you took good selfies, right? You took some good selfies?
Right. I did.
Okay, good. We got to make sure because we want to show everybody how good you improve.
Yeah.
So now you open it up and you'll put, it's like little, Dylan says, now she famous. He's always been famous, you guys. Dylan, he's always been famous.
Yeah, Dylan.
So also I didn't talk about, just so you guys know, if you get really dry, there's a really good moisturizer in there called Soothe. Soothe has in it sea whip extract, which is a marine algae, vitamin C, and squalene for hydration. Show them the color. So I want them to see it's a brownish orange color because it's high in retinol. You guys, you can't get rid of that color with retinol. So put a good amount on there. Just start covering your full face. Yeah. Rub it in, but don't rub too much. Get a nice film on there. And get all your exposed areas first. Let's overdo the exposed areas before we put any on the beard. You and I both are rocking the beards right now.
I thought about shaving, but...
I know, you should have.
I know.
It's okay. You could still trim if you want.
Right.
So he's putting on the Aerify Illuminating Mask, and just so you guys know, in the next month or two, the mask will be coming out in a individual set, so singles, as well as triples. So you could do face, neck, chest, and hands, but you can also, I was just going to say, and Raul already said it, you know, this orange color can sometimes get on your towel or on your sheets, and make sure, don't be shy, go all the way up to the eye. A little tip, you guys, is if you wanted, you could literally just use this mask around the eye every week and keep doing an eye peel. That's our kind of trick, our at-home eye peel, which I'll make a video of very soon. Dane, he's on. I love Dane. Dane, the refit goes great with this peel. You can use the refit eye or face even twice a day. Just make sure you don't get it into your eye, but put it on
Yeah.
everything. Go all the way down. Go even here. Get a good amount. Cover your nose all the way around the nose. Rub it in. Temples, everything. We got to get it all. And I want you to use the whole bottle. Go all the way down into the beard area.
Okay.
And so the illuminating mask, you guys remember, the strongest combination of TCA, salicylic acid, and lactic acid, as well as retinol or retinoic acid, over the counter for exfoliation. This is not a burning mask. This is a lightening mask. Hey, Roger. Thanks for supporting EMERAGE Skin. And you will, yeah, exactly. So keep using that. Keep rubbing that in. Get a good amount on your forehead because that's where I saw a lot of damage.
Yeah.
There. Don't rub it on your hands. Just put it directly onto the skin. We want it to go direct. Yeah, we want to get a good amount. Good. Get a good peeling, good thick amount. And then do a little bit over here. I know it's so cathartic. It's amazing. It's literally a ritual. This is the Emer ritual, you guys. Sunday Aerify. So he's also going to have the brightening agents in here, the vitamin C, the kojic acid, the arbutin, and the niacinamide, all for brightening the skin and also calming redness. So again, like I said, if you want good moisturizing while you're doing it, you can use our Soothe, but also our Hyla B, which is my favorite anti-aging hyaluronic acid. Most hyaluronic acids over the counter or that you get at consumer grade are okay. They only brighten the skin and kind of plump it lightly. They're not going to really feed your collagen. You really need, thank you guys, you really need a high and low molecular weight hyaluronic. Ours is multiple molecular weights along with tamarind seed extract, which is very, very high quality, which is why it's a little more expensive, but worth twice a day. It's your filler in a bottle, your Hyla B. You can apply that twice a day with this. We should definitely do it, Amir. We could talk about it, no problem. So he's applying you guys a good thin film. He's going to make sure to have a towel on his sheet tonight just in case, unless he doesn't care, it will wash off. And then what he's going to do is twice a day, he's going to use High Spot, which is our Bright and Glow Cream. That's going to be our vitamin C. That's going to be our botanical blend of green tea, peptides, the anti-aging peptides, which you can also mix with the Refit Face and Eye, licorice root in there. And then also he's going to use at least the Hyla A at night. Now, if you want a little bit more out of it, you could do this twice a day, or you can even add more retinol or even a stronger brightening cream. If you want us to go through alternative agents, look at my IGTV. You will see the ingredients, the other complementary products that I think you can get with this, but also you can email us and have a consult with Lindsay, our skincare specialist, to go through other things you can do. He is really doing this well, you guys. He's covering every nook and cranny of his face right now. And it's perfect. Yeah, we don't want it to go to waste, so definitely get good. Perfect. Do this part of your nose. Don't forget the lower part. Perfect.
Yeah.
And then a little bit more on the cheeks. Now, use the whole thing. You could, if you want, if you have a little extra and you want to put some on the neck, you can. But I don't want you to waste it. I really want you to get a good amount on your forehead and your cheeks because those are your sun-exposed areas. The vitamin A here is a retinol-based, a pretty strong strength. When we were doing 1%, everybody had too much peeling, and it was way too much downtime. So we made this between a 0.25 and a 0.5%. So you're going to apply this once or twice a day with the licorice root extract in there and the hyaluronic acid. That is the Hyla B plumping. And then if you go out, I want you to use the sunscreen, Fusion Shield. Not tonight. You're going to leave your face dry. Let this sit on there. And then that's it. And then you're going to let this, what I want you to do is every day or every couple days, every day take some pictures, obviously, good lighting, same positioning. They'll tell you what to do. This is not a seasonal peel, you guys. This is a twice a month or once a month boosting peel. This is something you should be doing regularly. I'm doing it now in LA where it's literally 100 degrees. And look at this.
Hot.
My skin looks great. So again, this kit, the AERIFY Complexion Peeling Kit, you guys can see, this was made to boost your skincare and to be doing regularly. This is to maintain. You should do this after a facial. You should do this between your lasers, between your peels. At home micro rolling, you can literally roll this into the skin. All the instructions are here in the AERIFY manual right here, and it tells you brightening, clarifying, exfoliating, and firming. And then inside it has the instructions of phase 1, which we're doing right now. You're applying the mask. phase 2, how you're going to use each of the products, either daytime or nighttime, each of the products that are included. And what I'm going to do on IGTV is I'm going to write all the complementary products of my line as well as other lines that can go with this if you want to boost the peel to be even more. And you guys remember, my product line is all about courage, because I believe that skincare and skin, having fresh, beautiful skin, really makes you courageous. It gives you more self-confidence to do those things you want every day. So it says here, beauty is often a judgment placed upon us by others. Courage is our naturally occurring element inside of you. We believe how you feel about yourself is what really matters. And that's why it doesn't matter why you're doing this kit. Do it for whatever is going to make you feel good. You want to look good for yourself, look good for yourself. You got to look good for modeling, look good for modeling. You have a big presentation you're going to give, and it's going to get you that big deal. Make it happen. If your skin makes you feel good, do it. And it says here, can you do this every night as your skincare routine? No, but you could do it weekly if you wanted. And you could do this back to back if you want to boost it. So he is really going all out. I love it. He's going to do a little post maybe later, a little video showing his face. And then again, you guys, I know you get crazy about following people every week, which is why we have our clients sending us in selfies, which we've been posting every other day on our Instagram. We just did a really good one with one of our patients from San Diego. He's got an amazing result, which I think we're going to get that same result here. So show them your face, show them the kit. Yes, it's perfect. So there he is.
Sorry, I got some on the box.
He got it on the box, which means he loves it. So they're asking about my nighttime routine. Let me just tell you, in general, you want to always have a retinol and a growth factor at night. That's the key, and some sort of lightening cream. So in the kit, the high spot has the peptides, it has the brightening, and the vitamin A, the Hyla A, has the retinol. But you can add the Refit Face and Eye. I also believe you should be doing eye serums at night. I use lip products. Look at my Lucy & Co. and my Restore C. You guys can see my lips are plumped right now, because I think your lips should be treated just like your eyes. Hey, Abel. And I think that, you know, I really think that you can add in specific products like pigment or acne. I love my Rev Skin toner. It's an acne purifying toner. It's a spray. You can get it at emeragecosmetics.com. It has vitamin C, algae, botanicals, and salicylic acid. It brightens the skin. I love it as a toner. It's called Rev Skin Acne Purifying Enhancer. It will be tagged on my IGTV. So show them up close your face. I'm super pumped. Look at, you guys can see the orange color. It's drying. He even did over the beard, which I love. He's got it on his eye. He's going to get his dark circles. But he's really going to see improvement in complexion, pores, redness, pigment. The stronger peels in Lighten and Cosmelan are like this, can be done via virtual consult at emeragecosmetics.com. You can't get those over the counter. If you use this weekly, it's going to last you 2 weeks. So that the kit itself has 10 to 14 days worth of product and 1 mask. If you want to do more with the masks, we're going to have further masks coming out where you can get 2 or 3 masks at a time and just boost it. Yeah, keep rubbing that in. He's going to keep using the, show them the bottle again so they can see.
Ooh, it's like basically gone, but
squeeze it out like toothpaste.
Mm-hmm.
Take it all. We want him to use it because he's going to get a really good result. He hasn't done anything like this for his face, you guys. And again, he's doing the AERIFY Complexion Peeling Kit with all the products inside. You guys can see the products in there. The foaming polish with the jojoba beads, the vitamin A with the licorice root, the brightening cream with green tea, mulberry, blueberry, vitamin C, our Fusion Shield, which is our top-selling SPF right now. People are loving this. And our mask and our moisturizer. The kit's at emeragecosmetics.com. I think it retails at $250 because, again, it's a medical-grade peel with 2 weeks of product. And remember, you guys can get products from certain companies where it's $250 for 1 product.
Right.
And here, you're getting so much for this. I made it on purpose because I wanted anyone that can't get to dermatologists to be able to get a dermatologist-like result at home.
And it's
so
very hard for some people, especially with like coronavirus going on. And some people don't feel comfortable going out or going, you know, to a
I know.
dermatologist to take care of their
I
skin.
know.
So this is perfect. I was even, you know, iffy being out so much. So this is making me very comfortable. It feels amazing on my skin.
Good. I'm glad you're going to feel a little tighter tomorrow, and then you'll show everybody how you did. So I think
Yeah.
people are really excited. They are saying hello from Colombia.
Hi,
Hi, Dr.
Columbia.
Sebastian. Glad you're on. And Dante Inferno, you need to go to emeragecosmetics.com and just do it. Plunge in. Get the Aerify Complexion Peeling Kit everyone's talking about. Okay, so what do you want to tell people right now so that they can follow you over the next week? Because they're all, you know, they're all going to follow you. You have people
Right.
from Colombia, Toronto, Asia, everywhere.
I'm
And yes,
so
of
excited
course, you,
about this.
yes.
I feel amazing. I'm very excited. I can't wait for for the results to be in. I can't wait to see my skin. I've based on everything else that I've seen and all the other people that have tried it, I'm just so excited. My biggest
That
thing is
is
about discoloration and redness. I'm really hoping to get that smooth one color tone that, you know,
great. And look,
I
we
think
may
I'm
get a
gonna
really good result
hit.
and want to boost it by doing it again. We may
Hmm.
want you to come in and get a stronger peel in the office. There's a lot of things we can do, but this is a good starting point. Dante, if you're in LA, come in. We do free in-office consults with our coordinators. Facials start at 150. You could do anything. It'd be great. And they're saying hi from Rhode Island with a little heart. They're saying hi from Jacksonville, Florida. We're saying hi up. This Geo got it this week. Geo, you better do it and tag us. Make some videos. And if you're 60, this is something you can do every couple weeks to boost it. But I will say we can do stronger peels and lasers in the office, fillers, threads, surgery. There's so much. We have it all. So come into the office or do a free virtual consult. Cleveland, Ohio. And then someone said, I'm from Beverly Hills, Daddy. Well, then come on in.
You're right there.
We're right here. Exactly. Okay. So you did
Perfect.
great. Vanessa says she's from Palm Springs, and they want to know if they apply this peel, will they get your beautiful blue eyes?
Unfortunately, no, but you
That's
will get
okay.
flawless skin.
You will have beautiful skin that makes your eyes pop out. Mine are hazel blue. His are sea blue. So, all right. Well, that's it. I can't wait for you guys. We can send this all across the world. Say goodbye to our
Bye,
wonderful
guys. Thank you
guests.
so
They will
much.
follow you and take those pictures and videos. We'll catch up with you in a week. Okay?
All right. Stay tuned,
All right.
guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, James.
Bye.
All right, you guys. So thank you from everyone. Florida, Ohio, Salvador, El Salvador, New York, Toronto. It's unbelievable where everybody's from. It's so amazing. Lindsay is the best Geo. Follow her. Dante, please come in. Get Fall, come on in. Make sure to check out, remember, the Aerify kits at emeragecosmetics.com. Everything will be on IGTV tonight. We do in-office free consults with coordinators. Over the virtual, we do free consults for skincare, but if you do consults with me, there's a fee. So you can definitely come in. If you're calling from Toronto, we have tons of clients from Toronto. You can do a free skincare consult with Lindsay. Email at lindsay@jasonmrmd.com, or just go to emeragecosmetics.com, swipe to emeragecosmetics.com, and do a free virtual consult. It's easy. This was made for all my estheticians out there, for all my beauty gurus, to boost everything you're doing. When you do a facial, you want them to maintain the results. Do you have them do this peel at home? Mark, you can do that consult, emeragecosmetics.com. We love the Rev Skin bleaching, but you should add that to this kit. It's going to make a bigger difference. Plus, with the Rev Skin bleach and the fortified bleaching, you really need to add the AOC from my line, as well as the Refit Face. It'll make a bigger difference for you in pigment. And you need to do a peel like Enlighten or Cosmelan if you have very severe melasma or hyperpigmentation. So that look right here, you guys can see emeragecosmetics.com. Jordan, we love you. Make sure you're doing this kit. You really need to talk about it. And yes, we can make everyone look the best at their age. So, and you can use this on other areas like the eye, the vaginal area, down under, the anal area, the elbows and knees. Please write us reviews at Yelp, Google, and RealSelf.com if you love the line. The website will be on our IGTV tonight, emeragecosmetics.com. Really easy for you to see. Love you all. Thank you for supporting the line. And remember, some of the proceeds will go to charity. We are donating to charity next month, $10,000 to our first one, because we have done so well, and it makes me really happy. So thank you for supporting it. I can't wait till everyone starts tagging me in your courage and tagging me in your Aerify.